Welcome to Smart GK मा तपाईहरु सबैलाई स्वागत छ 2500 फिजिबल क्वेशन्स फर नेपाल राष्ट्र बैंक प्रिटेस्ट 2078 ल्याउने क्रममा डे 15 लिएर उपस्थित भएकी छु। मेरो नाम हो श्रद्धा श्रेष्ठ र स्मार्ट जीके नेपालको पहिलो नम्बर 1 अनलाइन इन्स्टिट्युटमा विभिन्न अनलाइन तयारी कक्षाहरू सञ्चालन भइरहेका छन्। लिन चाहनुहुन्छ भने सम्पर्क गर्नुहोला अथवा हाम्रो अफिसियल वेबसाइट www.smartgkonline.com भिजिट गर्न सक्नुहुनेछ अथवा हाम्रो एप स्मार्ट जीके डाउनलोड पनि गर्न सक्नुहुनेछ। अब लागौँ आजको प्रश्नोत्तरतर्फ जसमा इकोनोमिक्सबाट रहेका छन्। पहिलो प्रश्नमा रहेको छ National income is one of the important concepts in economic theory which measures the dash of any economy performance. The national income accounting concept was first of all developed by dash Simon Kuznets. A country with larger national income is called as prosperous country. Which of the following information is correct? National income includes payments made to all resources in terms of wages, interest, rate, and profits. A country with larger national income is called prosperous country. National income is the monetary value of all final goods and services which are consumed within or outside the country. All are correct. The measures of the total monetary value of country produce final goods and services within the geographical boundary of a country during a specific time period, generally in 1 year, and evaluated at a market price is called as gross domestic product. The average income of the people of a country in a particular year is called as per capita income. In Nepal, the process of computing GDP was initiated in the year 1961-62. Our country, Nepal, also falls in the category of the least developed countries because per capita income in Nepal is low. Which of the following is not a human development indicator? Income indicator. With whom national income dividing to obtain per capita income? Direct taxes. If an import is greater than the export, then trade deficit occurs. To measure inflation, which index is used? Consumer price index. Which gross national product minus the depreciation? Net national product. The study of the inflation is a part of macroeconomics. GDP measures a country's income. The difference between value of output and value added is called intermediate consumption. Product method of calculating national income is also known as value added method. Transfer payments refer to payments which are made without any exchange of goods and services. National income differs from net national product at market price by the amount of net indirect taxes. National income doesn't include the payments by the household to firm for the purchase of goods and services. National income doesn't include interest on unproductive national debt. Net national product at factor cost is also known as national income. In GNP calculation, which of the following should be excluded? Government transfer payment. The condition of a continually rising price level is defined as inflation. The economist who proposed that inflation is always and everywhere a monetary phenomenon. Milton Friedman. Monetarists and Keynesians both agree with Milton Friedman that inflation is a monetary phenomenon. Complete Milton Friedman's famous proposition: inflation is always and everywhere a monetary phenomenon. At first cut, the simple solution to fighting inflation is reducing the growth rate of the money supply. Inflation occurs whenever the price level rises continuously over a period of time. Evidence strongly supports the view that countries with high inflation also have the highest rates of money growth. Countries with the highest inflation rates are likely to have both the highest rates of money growth and large budget deficits. Countries with the highest inflation rates are likely to have the highest rates of money growth. A one time increase in the money supply results in both synonymous with inflation and cause inflation and leads to an increase in the price level. Inflation reduces the purchasing power of a rupee. An increase in cost will shift aggregate supply. A one-shot increase in government expenditure causes a one-shot increase in the price level. An unrealistically low unemployment target will most likely result in inflation and unemployment rate falling below the natural rate and excessive monetary growth. How inflation affects the value of money? The value of money decreases. The cause of inflation is increase in money supply and fall in production. Who among the following is most benefited from inflation? Debtors. Which of the following groups suffer the most from inflation? Creditors. The situation with increasing unemployment and inflation is termed as stagflation. Inflation implies rise in general price index. Which of the following can be used for checking inflation temporarily? Decrease in money supply. Who among the following are not protected against inflation? Agricultural farmers. An essential attribute of inflation is increase in prices. The best means of savings during inflation is to keep money. The period of high inflation and low economic growth is termed as stagflation. Stagflation implies a case of recession plus inflation. Inflation can be controlled by surplus budget, increase in taxation, and reduction in public expenditure. Deficit financing creates additional paper currency to fill the gap between expenditure and revenue. This device aims at economic development, but if it falls, it generates inflation. A steady increase in the general level of prices as a result of excessive increase in aggregate demand as compared to aggregate supply is termed as demand pull inflation. Which of the following are definite implications of a fall in inflation? Prices are increasing more slowly than before. Among the causes of inflation which can be listed: slow growth in agriculture output, increasing non-development expenditure of government, rapid population growth, and rapid growth of costly imports. Among the remedies of inflation, we cannot include lowering bank rate. A very rapid growth in prices in which money loses its value to the point where even barter may be preferable is known as hyperinflation. Inflationary gap is a situation characterized by excess of aggregate demand over aggregate supply at the full employment level. Which of the following is wrong matched? Stagflation, slow pace of economic activity due to falling prices. A high rate of inflation tends to worsen balance of payments because prices of exported goods rise, making exports less competitive. The effect of inflation on tax revenue results in a situation known as fiscal drag. Which of the following accounts for cost push inflation? Increase in indirect taxation. Which of the following measure is adopted to reduce inflation? Cuts in government spending. Which of the following concept is just opposite to inflation? Deflation. Which of the following class will not be negatively affected by the higher inflation? Business class. How inflation affects the value of money? The value of money decreases. Inflation is always and everywhere a monetary phenomenon. These are the famous words of Milton Friedman. Which of the following is international trade? ट्रेड बिट्विन कन्ट्रिज। तल दिएको मध्ये कुन चाहिँ अन्तर्राष्ट्रिय व्यापारको विशेषता हो? भौगोलिक सिमाना बाहिर हुने व्यापार, ऐच्छिक रूपमा हुने व्यापार, कम लागतका वस्तु उत्पादन र बढी लागतका वस्तुको आयात। तल दिएको मध्ये कुन चाहिँ अन्तर्राष्ट्रिय व्यापारको महत्त्व अन्तर्गत पर्दैन? वस्तुको उपलब्धतामा कठिनाई। अन्तर्राष्ट्रिय व्यापारमा कस्ता वस्तुहरूको आयात गरिन्छ? बढी उत्पादन लागत भएका वस्तुहरू। अन्तर्राष्ट्रिय व्यापारमा आयात तथा निर्यात गरिने वस्तुहरूको गुणस्तर, स्वभाव तथा परिमाणलाई के भनिन्छ? अन्तर्राष्ट्रिय व्यापारको बनावट। अन्तर्राष्ट्रिय व्यापारको प्रवृत्ति भन्नाले के बुझिन्छ? आयात तथा निर्यातको मात्रामा हुने घटबढ। नेपालको अन्तर्राष्ट्रिय व्यापारको क्षेत्रमा देखिएका समस्याहरू अन्तर्गत तलको कुन चाहिँ होइन? विलासिताका वस्तुहरूको आयातमा खुला। नेपालको अन्तर्राष्ट्रिय व्यापारको क्षेत्रमा देखिएका समस्याहरू समाधान गर्ने उपाय कुन चाहिँ होइन? विलासिताका वस्तुहरूको आयातमा खुला। अन्तर्राष्ट्रिय व्यापारको तुलनात्मक लागत सम्बन्धी सिद्धान्तका प्रतिपादक को हुन्? डेभिड रिकार्डो। संरक्षण व्यापारका बेफाइदाहरू तलका मध्ये कुन होइन? पुँजी पलायन। स्वतन्त्र व्यापारको फाइदा कुन होइन? शिशु उद्योगको विकास। Trade between two countries can be useful if cost ratios of goods are different. Foreign trade creates among countries cooperation. Two countries can gain from foreign trade if cost ratios are different and price ratios are different. International trade and domestic trade differ because of trade restrictions, immobility of factors, and different government policy. Government policy about exports and imports is called commercial policy. Terms of trade between two countries refer to a ratio of export prices to import prices. It is drawback of free trade that government loses income from custom duties. Foreign trade increases employment opportunities, increases international mobility of labor, increases competition. Foreign trade benefits all countries. Commercial policy means policy about imports and exports. बिना अवरोध दुई वा दुईभन्दा बढी मुलुकहरूमा हुने वस्तु तथा सेवाहरूको आयात तथा निर्यात गरिने प्रक्रियालाई के भनिन्छ? स्वतन्त्र व्यापार। तल दिएका मध्ये कुन चाहिँ स्वतन्त्र व्यापारको गुण अन्तर्गत पर्दैन? औद्योगिक क्षेत्रको पछौटेपन। तल दिएका मध्ये कुन चाहिँ स्वतन्त्र व्यापारको अवगुण अन्तर्गत पर्दैन? नयाँ प्रविधिको विकास। तल दिएका मध्ये कुन चाहिँ स्वतन्त्र व्यापारको गुण हो? बजार क्षेत्रको विस्तार। तल दिएका मध्ये कुन चाहिँ स्वतन्त्र व्यापारको अवगुण हो? स्वदेशी मुद्रा बाहिरिने। अन्तर्राष्ट्रिय व्यापारमा स्वदेशी उद्योगहरूलाई प्रोत्साहन वा संरक्षण गर्ने नीतिलाई के भनिन्छ? संरक्षणवाद। तल दिएका मध्ये कुन चाहिँ संरक्षणवादको गुण हो? स्वदेशी उद्योगको विकास, देशलाई आत्मनिर्भर बनाउन सहयोग र निर्यातमा वृद्धि। तल दिएका मध्ये कुन चाहिँ संरक्षणवादको अवगुण होइन? स्वदेशी उद्योगको विकास। तल दिएका मध्ये कुन चाहिँ संरक्षणवादको अवगुण हो? ठुलो स्तरको उत्पादनमा अवरोध। त्यसै WTO को पूरा रूप के हो? वर्ल्ड ट्रेड अर्गनाइजेसन। WTO को क्षेत्रभित्र कुन चाहिँ पर्दैन? पारदर्शिता। विश्व व्यापार सङ्गठनको स्थापना कहिले भएको हो? सन् 1995 जनवरी 1 तारिकका दिन। त्यसै साफ्टाको पूरा रूप के हो? साउथ एसियन फ्री ट्रेड एरिया। र आजको अन्तिम प्रश्न रहेको छ, दक्षिण एसियाली स्वतन्त्र व्यापार क्षेत्र कहिलेदेखि लागू भएको हो? सन् 2006 जनवरी 1 तारिकदेखि। हस्, प्रश्न साथै आजको भिडियो यहीँ टुङ्ग्याउन चाहन्छु। यदि हाम्रो भिडियोहरू मन परिरहेको छ भने लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, कमेन्ट, सजेस्ट र सेयर गर्दै गर्नुहोला। धन्यवाद।